Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, fantastic. Oh yeah. This nut is 17 millimeter. The bolt for the pinch fitting for the strut. Yeah, fan-freaking-tastic. A little dirty up here. New one. Come on. Okay. Just turns. Perfect. Yeah. And hold it steady there and see what we can do. Okay, this is the old tie rod. That clamp is a pain in the ass. Ta-da. Alright, so to pop that loose back there, and just tapped it a couple times with a hammer. It's in really excellent shape. Okay, I think it on there pretty tight this time, and see what happens. Okay, thank God. To lock it. Ta-da. 18 there. Which, there it is. There we go. 85.